This machine makes money. Can you believe this? Make a Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Do you want to know what is inside? Come here. It's a very dirty. Let's clean up this power machine. Dust makes the machine hot. Hot machine works slow. Remember, two important things. First, keep the air cool and clean. Second, clean your miner. A clean miner is fast miner. It is a hashboard. It has ASIC chip. This chip is the brain that solves the crypto puzzle. It needs to stay cool.